Alrighty, so I already have my base makeup on and my eyebrows, so I'm going to go straight into the eyes. First thing I'm going to do is take this forest green eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and our Dose blending brush. I'm going to take a very little amount because it's pretty dark and really pigmented, so be sure to only use a little bit and then tap off your excess as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that straight into the crease. I'm just building that color. Alrighty, so when you're blending out, you want to be sure to use a clean makeup brush just because it can get kind of muddy really fast if you don't. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this green cream product here and use that as a base. I'm going to go ahead and depot it out onto my hand. And I'm going to be taking a Dose concealer brush. And I'm just going to put that kind of all over the lid, slightly into the crease. This could be kind of messy. Don't worry about being too clean with that. Alrighty, now I'm gonna go ahead and take Jackpot Block Party on my finger and apply that right over the green base. If you guys don't own any block parties, you need to. They're everything. Even if you're a natural girl, you like natural tones, they still have some really good options. They're nice, just even alone, all over the lid, or like a really nice like champagne tone, like all over the lid is so pretty. And now I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and kind of just blend that out a little bit. I want this look to be very diffused. Usually you wouldn't really want too much glitter in the crease, but for Halloween, you go there. Love. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Alrighty. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take that same Jackpot Block Party onto a flat definer brush. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Same thing on the other side. And I'm going to leave this inner corner blank for now. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same clean blending brush and just kind of blend that out. Make sure it's married with the top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take our Eyedeal Duo in Mermaid. I'm gonna put that again on the back of my hand. And I'm gonna go ahead and take I'm actually just gonna take that same flat definer brush and I'm gonna put that into the waterline. This just adds a little bit dimension, using a little bit of a different toned green. I'm going to just clean that off on a napkin, and then I'm going to just blend that lower lash line out once again. Take just a tiny bit more product. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take our Supreme Glow highlighter in Milk and Honey. I'm going to take that on our pencil brush and apply that to the inner corner. This one is nice and gold, which will really complement the look we have going on. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lower mascara on the bottom lash line off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take our liquid matte lipstick in Extra Saucy. Extra Saucey is a nice, pretty, like, true red, which I love. If I'm not wearing a nude lipstick, I really love to wear red. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just clean that up. I took some concealer back on the back of my hand and a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and perfect this lip line. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take some setting spray. Oh, it feels so good. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a fan brush and the same highlighter, Milk and Honey, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to my cheekbones. A little bit to the tip of the nose. Alright, now time for the wig. I got this in the downtown Santee Alley, but you guys can get yours online. Amazon has some really great wigs. I'm obsessed with this wig. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair in a low, tight bun. If you're wearing this out, I recommend having your hair braided, French braided to your head, just so that it's really nice and not bulky and noticeable. Then you want to apply your wig cap. Really cute look. Yes. Alright, so now that my wig is applied to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this Poison Ivy. I'm gonna cut it up real quick and glue it onto my chest area and probably a little bit on my arm, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and just cut a couple pieces of that Poison Ivy I had, and I glued it on actually with some eyelash glue. I only did this for the purpose of the video, but I highly recommend getting maybe some like double-sided toupee tape online or something a lot more sturdy, because if you go out with this just using eyelash glue, it's probably gonna fall off. So, but definitely don't use any like super glue or anything like that. Be really careful. You don't want to harm your skin. Alrighty, so here we have it, my finished Poison Ivy tutorial. I actually really love how it came out. I'm super happy. Honestly, this wig I would probably wear regularly. I love it. But if you guys do decide to recreate this look, please do tag us. We would love to see. And I will see you guys next time.